Do you know straightening out your teeth will not only make you look nice, it can also improve your health? Hi, I'm Dr. Cheng. Today I'm going to rate my staff teeth in just one look.
How does it change my teeth?
Before we do treatment for our patients, we look at a lot of stuff, facial features, profiles. Your features tend to be slightly on the concave side. This area is slightly sunken in compared to the nose and the chin. Facial pattern like this, try not to extract because by extracting then you will accentuate your concave features. For your case, mouth crowding, no big issue. Do any type of treatment, braces, Invisalign. Your canines are very long, especially the right one is a bit too long.
I always play with it.
Some people like that kind of look because very manly. So you want to be manly, then you keep it. Then you say no, why complain about it? Then I will fix for you. So actually for your case, relatively easy because I don't need to extract any teeth. Therefore, the treatment time will be shorter. Any issue with your teeth?
No.
No issue. You will have a very oval-shaped face. The chin's a bit smaller. Facial shape like this tend to have more retrusive chin. The chin a bit shorter. You tend to have a narrow hair. Likely you will snore. When your chin is smaller, you have other posture issues. Your head is always ahead. You cannot breathe. So try to fix them when you're young. Move the jaw forward a bit. If you're older, then you may have to do surgery and then cut the jaw forward. You know the midline is off, so your midline is shift towards the left. Generally, there is a missing tooth somewhere.
Yeah.
A missing tooth on your left side. So your likely course of treatment is you take out the left side and then swing the midline across. But I say no, I'm not interested in midline shift. Then we just straighten your teeth. Your midline will swing one side. So your teeth looks a bit big. There's one way to reduce the size of the teeth. IPR means interproximal reduction. So actually we grind your teeth a little bit here and there. So they tend to be a bit smaller. Size of teeth matches the face. If you've got a giant face, big teeth is good. But it doesn't look very big. So small teeth will be better for you.
What do you think of my teeth?
Your facial features tend to be a bit more round, shorter. Generally, people like this tend to grind the teeth.
Oh yes, I clench a lot.
Grinding your teeth at night, you can wear a night guard. At least you reduce the chance of wearing off your teeth and cracking off your teeth. Crowding all easy to fix. You just do braces, Invisalign, you can just straighten out your teeth. You also got quite sharp canines. If you want nice, then we can level up for you. Some people say, oh my face is short, let me do it. We can attempt to do it. Sometimes we allow the posterior teeth to spur it up. You can see when you rub the jaw actually.
So it will even longer
and then you go down. Any other question for Dr. Cheng? Come on down and have a chat with me. Dr. Cheng can make your smile slay.